So guys, today we are reviewing a dual tens massager. Well, not really reviewing, we're actually going over and showing you what it looks like. That way you guys know what you're getting. So this is it. You got A, B function, mode, plus, minus, and timer. Plug in your A, B ports right there. You can charge it right up here. Slide this over for on and off. You have a bunch of different modes for different pains and ailments, as you guys can see right here. In the box you get a carrying pouch, platform, multiple different pads, so you got square pads and long pads. So you get all the cables you guys need, plus the charging cable and the wall outlet power port, and then also in here you get a clip carrying case, so in your pants or your shirt pocket or wherever you want to clip this on, this just slides right down in. An item like this, you have to read the manual because this is very important. Make sure you read the user manual, follow everything to safety, and you will be great and you will solve a lot of ailments, especially sciatic nerve. The manual is long, but it's well worth reading because it goes over everything. It even goes over positioning and where to put the different pads at. So please, please, please read the manual, go over everything. But this is what you get in the kit. You get, let's see, looks like 4 square pads and 4 long square pads.